So hello everyone, friends, Bogdan is with you, and today I will tell you about how the structure works, how the market works, how to trade the most profitable transactions, how to open them, how to take into account. Let's start with the types of trends, what they are. Classically, by removing the IZM and accordingly moving in the upward direction. The second type is to remove the wrong rollbacks, but also the formation of a strong enough impulse upward movement. These are two examples of the formation of a trend that you should consider. Here, looking at the real chart, what we see here, although I forgot to say about the impulse of EBITDA, the main secret of the market is the impulse of EBITDA. This is how the price incites you to open positions in the wrong direction. That is showing you that it seems to go in the upward direction or in the downward direction, but in fact it goes in the opposite direction. And for example, with the removal of the IZM, such a story. That is when the price removes it, thus people think that there is a break. Here there is a very strong impulse movement, that is, a buy is on sale. It may not be impulsive, it may be sluggish, but it does not matter. In any case, the price breaks as if this swing to the shadow to the body, it does not matter. People think that there is a break, such a beautiful kind of reversal formation. Well, such when the price falls, it unfolds the trend. People think that there is a short, especially if they trade the middle sliding line, the price crosses it. Here on the test there is a second buy on sale. In short, everyone goes short. But in the future the price just goes in the upward direction. How is the structure confirmed? Here the maximum is confirmed because the price is removed from the inducement. And after the boss, that is the update of this maximum, the menu is confirmed. That is, we have such a model. After removing the IZM, the maximum is confirmed. After updating the maximum, the menu is confirmed. And the same is true only on board. The menu is confirmed first because the price is removed from the inducement. The maximum is confirmed only after updating the minimum. And on the real graph, if we look, we will see what we actually had here. We have a minimum. Where will our next maximum be? Of course, it will be right here. Why? Because the price here removes the shadow of the inducement and continues to move up. In fact, they make a boss and confirm this menu. But where will the next maximum be? In fact, here, because the adjustment went down. But what is the catch? The fact is that there is no correction in this impulse, there is no rollback. It's just clean, there are no corrections. Accordingly, the ASM will be this minimum. The price is removed. It will not be a draw, but just a fake break. Fake draw. Also, the price trades 0.5 range. It goes up, updating this high, confirming the minimum here. Here is a new maximum because the inducement is removed here. And also the price makes a draw here. If you did not know about the strategy with the draw of the swing and 0.5 trade, then now I will tell you. When the price, for example, removes the swing of the shadow, makes an impulse, then from 0.5 in the future you can enter the long. If 0.5 is not traded, the price goes up. On the next correction, you just take this 0.5 range and drag it to the new maximum here. As a rule, the price will trade it and continue to move up. Thus, you can accurately determine the direction and movement of the price. What do we see here? Here we see that the price removes the inducement and removes the swing of the shadow here. Here and here, it makes an impulse and updates this high. That is, it made a confirmation. In fact, the boss was confirmed and the new minimum was confirmed. Here is a new maximum because the price removed the inducement. Also, we should have 0.5 here because the price removed this swing of the shadow. We see that the price trades 0.5 with respect to this demand, here in this place. Here we open the long. And pay attention. We take into account the inducement everywhere, but I did not show the formation of another type of trend. That is when the price removes the wrong swings. We also have it here and it is hidden. Here is the removal. Here is the removal. Here is the removal. Accordingly, the continuation of the movement. Look again, please. This is how we form the movement. We take into account absolutely everything that I said in the diagram. We move on. The boss is confirmed here on the new minimum. This is how, friends, you can determine the true direction of the price. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Promote. I hope for your support. Thank you all and bye.